So we received a comment from Angelid1, and I thought it was a really, really interesting point around AI compared to real artists. So I'm going to read it out for you, and hopefully we can start a little bit of a discussion. It'd be kind of cool. So Angelid1 said, it's worth having proper art and little stuff like that. AI can have a place to help create ideas or placeholders, as well as help with layout of a piece. But sometimes having a human do it all makes it more fun and better looking. So the Spire 1 and 2 have beta images for their cards that look like a dev quickly put the idea on MS Paint and use that to fit the card portrait. Don't be afraid to do that kind of thing if you have an idea to implement but don't have the art quite yet. Just remember, write down or make it obvious it's a placeholder so you can fix it later. I think that's a beautiful idea. I think AI compared to real artists, AI does have a place in game development, but I don't think it's the way a lot of people think it is, that you can just put this in your game. I think probably 50% of your players, the potential players that see AI in your game, will immediately turn away. But I do think, like Angela1 said, if you're using it as like a placeholder or something temporary, or if it's like concept work, or if it's trying to get help with an idea to flesh things out, or code, I don't think AI should be in code either. But equally, if you are stuck on a problem, AI can sometimes help you find a solution. So I think there is a place for it in game development. I don't think it should be relied on heavily. I think you should use it with a pinch of salt, because AI can get things wrong too. And also some AI, like if you think Suno AI, isn't free. Even though you can make a song for free, it's not free. Whereas using a real artist, you can work and create something really, really special together and really fine tune it to get what you want out of it as well. And I think that goes for modeling, artwork, concept art, music, sound effects, VFX, any of those things that AI sort of is slowly trickling into. I think always go with a real artist for the final product, because even though it doesn't feel like it, I think your player base will really appreciate the effort you've put into things compared to when you just use AI and it looks really basic and awful. And it really is putting a lot of people off. And if your aim is to become a full-time game developer, working for yourself, not for a company, you really want to use real artists in that space, because it will help you go that next level. I truly believe anyway. But yeah, just thought I'd talk about it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and obviously subscribe and like to help me work on the Helix Reserve going forward. And if you want to do any more of these, put comments in the chat and I'll happily do more shorts like this. And if you want to ask me questions about the game or myself, and feel free to put a comment and I'll be more than happy to talk about it. See you next time.